What's going on, guys? This is Ticker Feed again. This is going to be another video. So what we're going to be talking about today is Torchlight and Metatarsal merging. I want to kind of break it down for someone that lives in Texas and kind of give my perspective on it. So I'm super excited to talk about it and just, again, give you my perspective. I'm not a financial advisor, but I am super excited to talk about this company. And as always, I like to throw up a meme, and it says, this is what it looks like when I have a migraine. So you've got a little bit of pressure on the forehead. When you have hypertension, it's going to be on the back of your head, right? And everybody gets stressed, so you can see it's a little bit around the top of your head, but not cutting losses on time is complete chaos. Your whole entire head is full of stress, migraines, and hypertension all together. So guys, I really do appreciate you taking the time just to tune in and click on this video. And so let's go ahead and get started. As I said, what I'm going to be talking about is the merger with Torchlight and Metamaterials. So personally, for me, I feel like this is a pretty easy stock to talk about just because I live in Texas, right? So this is in my backyard. I've personally been to Plano, Texas multiple times. It's right next to a place called Frisco, Texas. There's a lot of soccer out there. But anyway, so let me just read this quick little snippet. So it says, Plano, Texas, December 14, 2020, Torchlight Energy Resources, an oil and gas exploration company, or Torchlight, and Metamaterial, or Meta, a developer of high-performance functional materials and nano-composite products, announced today, which this was the signing on December the 14th, 2020, of a definitive agreement negotiated at arm's length for a business combine of Torchlight and Metamaterial by way of statutory plan of arrangement. So anyways, here's what I wanted to say. So everybody knows that they just decided to merge, right? That announcement was what, maybe about a week ago, but I just wanted to kind of show you. So at least so far, right off the bat on the foundation, they said that they would. They talked about it in December, and here we are in March, and we're rolling. All right, so the first thing I want to do is show you the website of Torchlight Energies. So it says it's a high growth oil and gas exploration and production, or EP, company with the primary focus on acquisition and development of highly profitable domestic oil fields. Okay, but this is what I want you to understand at the very end, okay? And that's going to be its targets are established and plays in the Permian Basin and the Eagle Ford Shale. Okay, so for those that don't know a whole lot about oil and gas, other than that you know that it makes a bunch of money, the first thing is the locations of where they're extracting this oil, right? So where they're actually doing the whole exploration and production, right? Where are they drilling it out of the ground? Where are they fracking it out of the ground? Okay, so that's going to be in the Permian Basin. So where is the Permian Basin located? So what I wanted to show you is going to be in what we call truly West Texas, right? So that's going to be in the El Paso area, almost New Mexico. Okay, now let me tell you right now, personally, I've been there multiple times. I've tracked these pipelines myself, and I can tell you right now, there is so much oil and gas. The majority of oil and gas that we get out of Texas just by itself is going to be this area. So that's a thumbs up for me. So I just wanted to point that out right away, just so you can kind of get an understanding of, well, what is the Permian Basin and where is it located and what does that even mean, right? So it's an area in Texas, right? And it's an area where a lot of oil is extracted from the ground. All right, so let's go back to the website, and then it says in Eagle Ford Shale. Okay, so where is Eagle Ford Shale? Eagle Ford Shale is going to be, I would say, central South Texas almost, right? It's pretty close to South Texas. So you've got Walker County, Grimes County, Live Oak, Webb. Okay, so again, another great area. There's companies that are midstream companies, which is going to be your pipeline companies. There are a ton of companies that are in that area with what you call a possibility of shore tanks or just tanks in general. Okay, and that's what's going to be holding all that crude oil. So again, another great location. So I wanted to point that out. So for me, right off the bat, that's pretty big. I mean, that's a big deal. And the fact that it's a penny stock, I mean, what is the downside, right, versus the upside? So right now the downside is that oil and gas isn't per barrel that expensive, right? It's not that high, right? It's not $115 or even $75 a barrel right now, right? I think it's hovering around between maybe $43 a barrel, which is not bad, but I mean, it's been much higher, right? And with what's going on in the market, what's gone here recently between what happened in 2020 and up to now, right? It's kind of on the back burner. So in the future, as electrical vehicles are going to slowly maybe take over, all the cars that everyone's using right now still needs oil, right? And I don't know if people know, but with petroleum, it's not only just used for vehicles itself. For example, you actually use it for lipstick, right? And so I thought that was kind of interesting. So what I wanted to do is just kind of wrap it up right here. And so again, Torchlight Energy merging together, right? So everybody knows that. So let's go and look at the chart itself. $2.14. Okay, so that's pretty low, right? You have a 52-week high of $4.83. A year ago, it was 21 cents. Now, it had a drop today at $1.72, and it's about leveled out. And as you can see, even after the market closed, it's already continued to gain points, right? So it's at $2.30. Again, to me, that's only a positive. That's an upside. There's nothing wrong with that at all. And so it's only been around 2007. That's plenty of time to be able to create those contacts, which I believe this is why exactly the merger came together in the first place. And so guys, let me know if you actually own this stock or if you're thinking of buying this stock, what your thoughts are, and what was the reason why you bought into it. I'm just curious. So guys, I mean I live in Texas. I understand that world, and so again, I'm real just super excited about just the company in general, but I am super curious to know why you bought it, or if you don't want to buy it, or if you sold it off, or whatever the case is. So anyways, guys, I really do appreciate you taking the time to listen to this video and just listen to what I have to say. I'll continue to pump these videos out as fast as possible on the latest updates on information. So if this stock itself continues to rise by whatever catalyst it is, I'll let you know. So guys, again, I really do appreciate it, and just welcome to the family. And again, leave some comment, let me know what you think. Super excited, and we'll just take it from here.